Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is commonly called acetic acid, and the formula of ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. We can also write CH3C double bond OOH. And a dilute solution of ethanoic acid in water is called vinegar. We all know the name of vinegar. Vinegar is used as a food preservatives. Physical properties of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is a colorless liquid having a sour taste and a smell of vinegar. And the boiling point of ethanoic acid is 118 degrees Celsius. When pure ethanoic acid is cooled, it freezes to form a colorless ice-like solid. This ice-like solid is called glacial ethanoic acid, and this is also called glacial acetic acid. Chemical properties of ethanoic acid. First, reaction with sodium carbonate. Ethanoic acid react with sodium carbonate to form sodium ethanoate and carbon dioxide gas. We can write this equation CH3COOH. This is the formula of ethanoic acid, and this is also called acetic acid, plus Na2CO3. This is sodium carbonate, gives CH3COONA. This is sodium ethanoate, and it is also called sodium acetate, plus CO2 carbon dioxide plus H2O water. In this reaction, ethanoic acid react with carbonate and give carbon dioxide, salt and water. Reaction with sodium bicarbonate. We can also say sodium hydrogen carbonate. Ethanoic acid react with sodium hydrogen carbonate to evolve carbon dioxide gas. We can write this equation CH3COOH. This is the formula of ethanoic acid, plus NaHCO3. This is sodium hydrogen carbonate, or we can also say sodium bicarbonate, gives CH3COON. This is sodium acetate plus CO2. This is carbon dioxide plus H2O. In this reaction, we get also salt, carbon dioxide and water. In this reaction, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. If we pass this gas through the lime water, we will find that lime water turns milky. Only carbon dioxide gas turns lime water milky. So it's proved that when ethanoic acid react with sodium carbonate, then carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Reaction with sodium hydroxide. Ethanoic acid react with base to form salt and water. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. We can write this equation CH3COOH. This is ethanoic acid plus NaOH. This is sodium hydroxide, gives CH3COONA. This is sodium ethanoate, or we can also write this sodium acetate. This is salt plus H2O. In this reaction, ethanoic acid react with sodium hydroxide to form a salt called sodium ethanoate and water. Reaction with alcohols. When ethanoic acid is warmed with ethanol in the presence of few drops of concentrate sulfuric acid, a sweet smelling ester is formed. We can write this equation CH3COOH. This is ethanoic acid and acetic acid, plus C2H5OH. This is ethanol, and we can also call ethyl alcohol, gives CH3COOC2H5. This is ethyl ethanoate. It is also called ethyl acetate and ester, plus H2O. Okay, in this reaction, carboxylic acid react with alcohol to form an ester is called esterification. Ester are used in making artificial perfumes and also flavoring agents. That means ester are used in making artificial flavors and essence used in ice cream, sweets and cold drinks. Hydrolysis of esters. When ethyl ethanoate or ester is boiled with sodium hydroxide solution, then sodium ethanoate and ethanol are produced. We can write this equation CH3COOC2H5. This is a ester. It is also called ethyl acetate and ethyl ethanoate plus NaOH. If ester react with sodium hydroxide gives CH3COONA. This is a salt. It is called sodium ethanoate and also called sodium acetate plus C2H5OH. This is a ethanol. So we can say if ester is heated with sodium hydroxide solution, the ester get break down to form the parent alcohol and the carboxylic acid. The hydrolysis of esters is known as saponification. That means this reaction is used for the preparation of soaps.